Hello everyone, we'll be solving the CPT June 2018 question paper today. We'll be solving questions on the quantitative section. We'll be starting off with question number 71 today. In question number 71, it has been said that if A plus B is to B plus C is to C plus A is equal to 7 is to 8 is to 9 and A plus B plus C is equal to 18, then A is to B is to C is equal to option A 5 is to 4 is to 3, option B 3 is to 4 is to 5, option C 4 is to 3 is to 5, and option D 5 is to 3 is to 4. So these are the options that we have been given. So now we have been given that A plus B is to B plus C is to C plus A is equal to 7 is to 8 is to 9. So this we can write it down as A plus B by 7 is equal to B plus C by 8, and that is equal to C plus A by 9, and we can take the entire thing as equal to K, say. So that implies that A plus B is equal to 7K, then we have B plus C is equal to 8K, and then we have C plus A is equal to 9K. So that implies that if we add these three things, then we have A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A is equal to 7K plus 8K plus 9K, and this we can write it down as 2 into A plus B plus C, and that is equal to 7K plus 5K, 7K plus 5K, 15K, 15K plus 9K, we have 24K, and that gives us that A plus B plus C is equal to 12K. Now we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 18. So 18 is equal to 12K, and that means that K is equal to 3 by 2. So if K is equal to 3 by 2, so that means if we put the values of K in these equations, so we have A plus B will be equal to 21 by 2, 7 into 3 by 2. B plus C will be equal to 24 by 2, and C plus A will be equal to 27 by 2. So this we can take as equation 1, this 2, and this we can take as 3. So now 2 minus 1 will give us B plus C minus A minus B. So B will cancel out, so we have only C minus A. So C minus A will be equal to 24 by 2 minus 21 by 2, which will be equal to 3 by 2. And we have equation 3 as C plus A is equal to 27 by. So this we can take as 4. So now 3 plus 4 will give us twice of C will be equal to 15, which gives us that C is equal to 15 by 2. And similarly, if we do 3 minus 4, then we get the value of twice of A will be equal to 27 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So we have 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. And that gives us that A is equal to 6. So A is equal to 6. So now if we put, therefore 1 implies that A is equal to 6 plus B is equal to 21 by 2, and that gives us that B is equal to 21 by 2 minus 6, which is 21 minus 12, so we have 9 by 2. So B is equal to 9 by 2. So if we find out A is to B is to C, so this will give us 6 is to 9 by 2 is to 15 by 2. So if we divide all the three sides by 3, since this 6, 9 and 15 are divided by 3, so we have 2 is to 3 by 2 is to 5 by 2, and then multiplying all the terms by 2, we have 4 is to 3 is to 5, which is nothing but the option, as you can see, option C. 4 is to 3 is to 5, which is the option C. Option C over here is the correct option. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Solve Circles video for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.